past and we're on the drive again. It's like a migration, isn't it, mate?
Once again, no trailer.
Check out the back, passengers.
You haven't got your piece out of your Jezza? Might let him get ready first.
Strangle it a little bit.
I'm going to warm it up. We walked up to the workshop with a magazine when we did that.
Yeah. Or don't stand there.
Before, boy.
Yeah, don't stand there.
The bar. Sit cut.
Oh, got the lollies, eh? Lollies all over the top. Where is he? Shouldn't have put that sticker on. Shouldn't have put that sticker on. He would be on the track already. He'd be on the track. Ultimate street car.
Yeah. Fuckers use no fuel. I thought we use more.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually the fuel gauge, that's good to show that.
Yeah.
You reckon that's exhausted, yeah?
On Luke's side. Doesn't have to be a Sunday to go for a cruise.
Hey?
She's an everyday cruiser.
Sure.
She's Friday.
We started off
Friday.
on full, and look where it is.
Yeah. Nice.
Actually, you guys have to have the fucking...
We've got to pay.
Yeah, we
can go back and pay, mate.
So what do we do?
Do we have to pay?
We're in now. I think they're worried too much about spectators fucking fees on a Friday.
No, it's just that gold coin donation, hey?
Where do we pay? No, we haven't. Where do we pay? Because we come in last night.
Sorry?
Where do we pay? 37? Said that cooker cunt in the night. Wrong.
Yeah, that's our spot here. Yeah. Where do you want us to go?
Fucking decent motor there. Perfect. Made it like a schoolgirl.
Well,